Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa Spang Tuan the Vlog starring Pabibo at Pabibe! Ayun no? Hey Pabibe! Baby Nitro! What you doing? Hey, you're talking to the camera again, aren't you? Si Shanta walang kilay.
Walang kilay.
Kilay is not life pala.
Walang kilay, walang panahon magkilay ngayon.
Tuan Fam! Sa vlog na to, papakita ko sa inyo yung short film na ginawa namin ng tatay ko at tito kong baliw. Ayan. Ito po siya, Australian. Parang kung gaano kadelikado ang Australia. Kasi maraming delikadong mga hayop dito. Tulad ng mga ahas, mga gagamba.
Akala ko katulad mo.
Katulad ni Baby Nitro, delikadong hayop yan. Okay guys, so sit back and enjoy the short film.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
G'day everyone, my name's Paul and I'm here to educate you today about surviving the bush in Australia. Australia has some very deadly animals and some very cute and cuddly animals, so today I'm just going to talk to you about the deadly ones because that's what you need to survive. And I've got with me my assistant today, Dougie. Hey, what are you doing? Don't leak over there, there's a dangerous snake. What? What snake? Ah! Oh! What's happened? What's happened? A snake bit me knob! The toxin from that snake is deadly poisonous and he'll be unconscious in any second now. So the only way we can save him is someone has to suck the poison out.
Suck the poison out?
Yeah, you gotta suck the poison out where the snake bit him. Do you wanna help him?
He's gonna die.
We have a lot of spiders in Australia. Actually, we have 520 different species of spider, and most of them will kill you or make you very sick or eat your flesh. There's one of them actually eat your flesh. But there's two that I want to talk about particularly because they're the ones that like to hang around your house. And they're two very deadly spiders. One is a Sydney funnel web.
Somebody's got a red thing on his back.
And the other is a redback spider. The redback spiders, their bite is very painful. And hey, don't play with that. Don't play with that.
He's off. What are you doing?
Just stay still. I'm going to remove it. Don't move. Oh, well, sometimes you just can't save them. In Australia, there's one creature in particular that everybody seems to be scared of, and that's the shark. Australia has a lot of species of sharks, but there's really only three that are man-eaters. The bull shark, the tiger shark, and the great white. And today, Dougie, stop eating the shark bait. That tastes good, right? So if you look out there, you can see that's a bull shark. So what we need to do is go down the water's edge, but don't get too close, and start feeding him the bait, and he'll come in. Oh! All right, off you go, Dougie. Off you go, nice and steady. Don't approach it too. Don't stop eating the bloody bait. Yeah, nice and steady. Approach him. Don't startle him. That's it. Yep, just nice and steady. Keep feeding him. He's coming in. He looks friendly. Yep. Don't get too close. Don't get too close. Yeah, that's it, Dougie. Yeah, that's it. That's the way. You're doing a good job.
When you disappear.
Nah. You got too close, see? Saltwater crocodiles can get up to a couple of ton and huge beasts and are man-eaters. But today we're not going to get a big one, we're just going to find a small one so we can show you how to handle a crocodile. Alright Doug, you see that mud track there? That's where he's come up. So if you go in that bush over there, I reckon you'll find him. Okay. Yeah, crocky. Oi! There's one! Hey, there's a little one! Oh, don't panic, Dougie. He only eats Asian tourists. I got him off! Oh, looks like he'll eat anything. Last animal I wanted to talk to you about is not that well known, but according to urban legend, they exist. So everybody loves a koala, right? Beautiful little furry friend, except there is an evolved species of koala called a drop bear. It's evolved some sharp teeth and it doesn't eat gum leaves anymore, it eats meat. So he's a little bit dangerous. He's one of the top 5 dangerous animals for tourists is a drop bear.
I didn't think drop bears were real. Are they real?
Yeah, they're real, mate. Don't worry. I've heard reports there's a few around here. But if you look up in that tree there, that's not a drop bear, that's a koala.
Oh, is that the one you can cuddle?
You'll be safe to go over there and have a look at that koala. He'll be fine.
Oh, okay. I'll go give him a nice cuddle. It'll be good for tourism. That's one damn big koala.
Wait a sec, Dougie. Wait a sec, that's not a koala.
That's a drop bear!
Run, Dougie! Faster! Yeah, that wasn't a koala. Congratulations, everyone. You've now passed a course on how to survive the wild in Australia. Except for you, Dougie. You're not getting a certificate.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star.
What the fam, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and check out What's Up's channel. What's Up? Yeah, alright. We'll see you guys in the next video. Get the kids.
I'm kissing my name. What? What's name?
Do you want to help him? Well, I don't want to help him. Looks like he's gonna die.
What the hell?
One, go.
Run, Dougie! Faster, it's catching you! Yeah, he's gonna die.
Got him off.
And now he jumps on your head.
You're beautiful,